In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a survey on Surveymonkey. If you're managing surveys on this platform and you're ready to wrap things up, this guide is for you. Whether you're capturing feedback for research purposes, running polls for your organization, or just gathering opinions on a given topic, knowing how to close a survey ensures that the data collection process concludes precisely when you want it to. So let's get started. First, you want to head over to the Surveymonkey website, log into your account, and from there, you'll find yourself on the home page under the Projects tab. This is your main hub, the central spot for accessing all the surveys you've created or are managing. Here, every project is neatly listed, making it quite straightforward to pick out the specific survey you want to close. It's an intuitively organized area that simplifies the process of managing multiple surveys simultaneously. Now take a closer look at your list of surveys. Next to each one, there's a small icon represented by 3 dots, commonly known as the More Options menu. This is a very handy feature that reveals additional actions you can perform, which aren't immediately displayed on the main list view, so go ahead and click on those 3 dots right next to the survey you wish to close. Upon clicking this icon, you'll see a drop-down list appear. Your goal here is to locate the option labeled Delete. Now, it's understandable to find the term delete a bit daunting, as it might imply something more permanent than it actually is. However, in this context, it refers to closing the survey's active status and preventing any further responses from being collected. For your peace of mind, choosing to delete the survey in this sense does not erase any of the valuable data you've already gathered. All your responses and insights remain securely stored, which means you'll have access to them whenever you need to analyze the data or create reports. At this juncture, if you're certain that you're ready to stop collecting new data, proceed and click Delete. The platform might present you with a confirmation window to double-check your decision, helping to avert any accidental closures, a useful feature, especially when dealing with multiple surveys. Once you confirm, your survey will officially be closed. To wrap up, closing a survey on Surveymonkey is a seamless process, empowering you to determine when your data collection ends. This ensures that you can efficiently manage responses and focus on analyzing your results to draw meaningful conclusions from the data without unnecessary delays. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.